Hello friends, day 99. I had a really good king-size breakfast this morning at the hotel and then came up Glen Ample, very fittingly, climbed for about 5-6 miles along a really good track, I think probably an old military road. Scotland is crisscrossed with loads and loads of unsurfaced roads. Most of them are drovers roads, military roads, estate roads or forestry tracks, and they're very useful. Anyway, came down into Callander, a busy town, bigger than I thought it would be, busy all year round. I then climbed back out of Callander and I'm now in the Menteith Hills. Middle of nowhere, no phone signal, so no communication tonight. But see what you think and see you on the trail. Here's my room with a view tonight. Not a very distant view, but look at the way the light is playing on those hills. Isn't it gorgeous? No midges tonight, but this room with a view does seem to come with rather a lot of flying ants. Not only flying ants, but other flying creatures as well.